How to turn on data saver on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on data saver on Twitter. And if at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First thing to do is open up your Twitter. When you open up your Twitter guys, come to this top left corner and click on your profile picture. From there, scroll up and get to settings and support. Click on it, then click on settings and privacy. To now bring you to this page, just scroll up and click on accessibility. When you click on accessibility guys, we have many options under this page. Just go ahead and click on data usage. Now it will bring you to this page. You can see data saver. Data saver, when it's enabled, videos won't autoplay and lower quality images load. This automatically reduces your data usage for all Twitter accounts on this device. If you want to turn it on, just go ahead and toggle on this button at the front. You can see the changes under the remaining features or options there. So guys, that is how to turn on data saver on Twitter. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.